hottest band in the country. But as the decade ended, they needed to reinvent themselves. They changed their looks. Now they were a modern band. A band still cranking out hits for a while. Fame was taking its toll, and the spotlight became too much. There were reports of trashed hotel rooms and huge infighting. And then it all started to unravel when they released their now infamous second album, Eulenspiegel, an experimental rock opera about love, hate, and poultry. The album bombed. Rolling Stone named it one of the worst albums in the history of music. The future of the band was in jeopardy. Todd was the first one to leave the band and go solo. His debut album, Todd on Todd, went unnoticed by an unforgiving public. Bay went on to release the pioneering hip-hop album Zip Zap Rap, selling more records than all Off to the Moon albums combined. The remaining three stayed with Off to the Moon, but Jeff and Jay could never regain their talent and composure as they both became emotional eaters. What was once a band at the top of the world was now a band in trouble. But now, in 2012, Off to the Moon is back, and better than ever, planning their first reunion show this month on the campus of Illinois State University. Will they bring back the magic that made them the supergroup of the decade? Go watch and find out.